Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic, insulin resistance. Let's start by understanding what insulin resistance really means. Insulin, produced by the pancreas, plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels. It acts as a key to unlock cells, allowing glucose from the bloodstream to enter and provide energy. However, when cells become resistant to insulin signal, glucose remains in the bloodstream, leading to high blood sugar levels. Now, let's explore the signs and symptoms of insulin resistance so you can recognize them early on. Number 1. Skin changes. Did you notice dark patches on your skin, especially around armpits or neck? This is a condition called acanthosis nigricans, and this is often associated with insulin resistance. Insulin resistance can cause dark, velvety patches of skin, particularly in areas like the neck, armpits, and groin. Number 2. Weight gain. Experiencing unexplained weight gain, particularly around the abdomen. Insulin resistance can lead to excess fat storage, particularly around the abdomen, which is called visceral fat. When cells resist insulin, excess glucose in the bloodstream is converted into fat. Number 3. Fatigue. Feeling tired all the time? Fluctuating blood sugar levels due to insulin resistance can disrupt your energy levels. With cells unable to efficiently take up glucose for energy, you may experience persistent fatigue and lack of energy. Number 4. Increased hunger. Are you constantly hungry even shortly after eating? Insulin resistance can affect the hormones that regulate appetite, leading to increased hunger. Insulin resistance disrupts the balance of hunger-regulating hormones, leading to increased appetite and cravings, even shortly after eating. Number 5. Frequent urination. Are you making more trips to the bathroom, especially at night? Excess glucose in the bloodstream leads to increased urine production. High blood sugar levels trigger the kidneys to work harder to remove excess glucose from the bloodstream, resulting in increased urination, especially at night. Number 6. Brain fog. Are you struggling with your focus on something? Unstable blood sugar levels can impair your cognitive function. Fluctuating blood sugar levels can affect your brain condition, especially how it is functioning, causing difficulties with focus, memory, and mental clarity. Number 7. High blood pressure. Are you elevated blood pressure levels? Insulin resistance contributes to hypertension and increases the risk of heart disease. Insulin resistance is often associated with those diseases as it contributes to the narrowing of blood vessels and increased strain on the heart. Number 8. Irregular menstrual cycles. Ladies, irregular periods could be a sign of hormonal imbalance linked to insulin resistance. In women, insulin resistance can disrupt hormone balance, leading to irregular periods and other reproductive health issues. Number 9. Family history. A family history of diabetes or insulin resistance increases your risk of developing the condition, highlighting the role of genetic factors. Additionally, the habit of family potentially contributes to insulin resistance for each family member if all family members have same diet style, which is high-carb diet. Now that we've covered the signs, let's discuss how you can manage insulin resistance through dietary interventions. Fortunately, certain foods can help improve insulin sensitivity and manage blood sugar levels. First, leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale. Leafy greens are low in calories and carbohydrates, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Their high fiber content slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This gradual release helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, thereby reducing the demand for insulin. Additionally, leafy greens are rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation, a key contributor to insulin resistance. Second, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and promote healthy blood vessel function, both of which can contribute to better insulin response. Additionally, Protein-rich foods like fish can help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote satiety, reducing the likelihood of insulin resistance. Third, berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved insulin sensitivity. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can impair insulin signaling. Furthermore, berries are relatively low in sugar compared to other fruits, making them a suitable option for those looking to manage blood sugar levels. The fiber content in berries also slows down the absorption of sugars, further supporting stable blood sugar control. Fourth, nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds. Nuts and seeds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which can contribute to better insulin sensitivity. The combination of healthy fats and fiber helps slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the protein content in nuts and seeds can help promote satiety and reduce overall calorie intake, which may aid in weight management, a factor closely linked to insulin resistance. Fifth, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a nutrient-dense dairy product rich in protein and low in carbohydrates and sugar. Protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. The high protein content also promotes satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating and weight gain, which are risk factors for insulin resistance. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Emerging research suggests that a healthy gut microbiome may play a role in improving insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet as a snack right after meals or part of a balanced meal can be a delicious and nutritious way to support better insulin response and overall metabolic health. In summary, incorporating foods like leafy green vegetables, fatty fish, berries, nuts and seeds, and yogurt into your diet can contribute to better insulin sensitivity by promoting stable blood sugar levels, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall metabolic health. By making these dietary changes and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can effectively manage insulin resistance and reduce your risk of developing serious health complications. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health. Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it informative and empowering. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.